Hi, today I would like to show you how to use the indicators you can find on my website and what to look for, because sometimes I have a question from people that how to use them, why some signals are not correct, and blah blah blah. So I decided to record a video, a tutorial how to use at least 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm looking on these indicators right now. Core PIB Extreme, BINA, BNA, AMA, Tunnel, and Extreme Candle. Some of them are not available yet, but soon I'm going to post them on my website. But I'm going to show you how I use them. Okay, so let's go and see. For example, today was 16th, so we have Friday 16th. We're going to test the indicator, the market, only one day in order to have some idea. Okay, so this is 16th, 17th. We have a pound, dollar, and the setup for the indicator. This is for the tunnel. This indicator tunnel, it's actually indicator that is looking for a consolidation. So what I'm looking for, it's on the 15-minute chart, I'm looking for 12 candles. It means 3 hours of consolidation, and the maximum size of the tunnel will be 220. It means 22 pips. Number of boxes to draw, it's 100, can be 10, no problem, because we are not looking into many candles, we're just looking for one day. And the time, the indicator is looking for since 7 o'clock, the broker time, to 1800, so it means about 11 hours. 11 hours. Here the font size, this number will show us how many points, how high is the box, and here is the location of the number. Alerts, yes. Okay, so we're going to have a blue box like here. You see 204, it means it was the maximum size of the box. Maximum size is 220, here was 204. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to start, we're going to pause it. Okay, we're going to simply get rid of the grid, and I'm going to add each indicator. I mean, tunnel, it's the indicator we are testing, but we're going to add now Core PIB Extreme. Core PIB Extreme, it's Core PIB Extreme, it's here, 2, 2.5, and 3. This is the setup. Next one is BINA, so PipBoxer BINA, PipBoxer BINA, and we're going to have a setup load. I think it's this one, master. So its size is 1. It means almost doji. A minimum candle is 6 pips. Minimum body size is 30. Is the main candle. I mean, if you don't know what I'm talking about, go into the BINA indicator and have a look. So this is false. I just simply want to see the situation where the candle is going to close inside the wick. Okay, so here we have, so we see now, we see many candles, many signals, but they're not important in the moment. Now EMA, this is my PipBoxer EMA, it's here, and we're going to have load EMA. We're going to use 5 and 10 EMA. Okay, we have now 10, 5, and 10 EMA. Next one is tunnel, and next one is extreme candle. Okay, extreme candle. It's a new indicator that is working together with the Core PIB Extreme. So master, extreme candle, and here is the information. Okay, So now I have a template that I will use in order to enter the trade, decide when to enter and when to exit. Okay, nothing is perfect, nothing is written in stone, but I'm going to show you how to use the indicator. So we're going to start and what we are looking for. Okay, so we have plenty of time. Now it's 6:45. What I'm looking for is a tunnel. So we are testing the tunnel indicator, tunnel 1.2. So as you see right now, the BINA already BNA, it means that this indicator is showing you when the candle will close inside the wick. But as you see, this is 15-minute chart. This still is not inside the extreme corporate extreme. So the extreme is not inside the extreme area. So we're still waiting. We're expecting that the price will have to go a little bit higher. So let's continue. Right now it's 7. So well, I think soon the market, the European market, will open, Frankfurt and then later London on. We still see that there's some action, some kind of consolidation building up. Okay, we see right now that there is a nice candle, 197, so it means candle is almost 20 pips high. It's like an engulfing candle, but the engulfing candle, it's a good signal, but again it is not inside, it's not inside the extreme area. So let's go and see that the price will go a little bit higher. It's 7:30, so the broker, so we still have time. Maybe we missed the call, but we look on the price action that will take place inside the 3 bands. This is the extreme area. When the price will reach the 3 bands, this will be an indication for me that we are overbought and it's a big chance that the price will reverse. So as you see right now, it was a nice candle that pierced all 3 bands. There was next candle. Usually I go short after this kind of candle. So we see BINA, that is a good indication now that the price, there's a big chance to reverse. Still continue going on, strong trend. I mean strong trend for a moment. And now we, after this kind of situation, I am looking for a consolidation. So consolidation for at least 3 hours. So let's see what we will have. Okay. So you see this candle close inside this wick, this candle close inside this wick, so it looks like there's a big chance there will be some kind of consolidation in this area, and then we will see some action. 10:15, we see already the London market is on, and let's see when the tunnel, the consolidation will pop up. Okay, I will pause the video when we see the tunnel. Another thing I'm looking for is for the 2 EMAs to cross over inside the tunnel, and on the top of it there will be another indicator, the extreme candle, like this one, that will be also inside the tunnel. This will be a good indication for me that the market wants to reverse, wants to go opposite side. Okay. And we are using these 5 indicators: corporate extreme, the 3 bands, BNA, it means the the arrows, EMA, it's the two EMAs. Okay, so what we see right now, EMAs, tunnel and extreme candle. So this is the extreme candle. The extreme candle is working together with the extreme indicator. It means that this candle is bigger than the last 3-4 candles, and the candle is going opposite to the direction. So it means now we have a sell candle in the area of buy. So this is like an indication for us that this is a good candle that is going to show us that the market wants to go down. As you see here, this was also the candle, but again this candle was not inside this area. We have price right now, we had price here in this extreme area, and now the indicator is showing us that the price wants to reverse. So we see here that we have a tunnel, we have two EMAs that they cross the lines. We have the extreme indicator as showing us that this is actually a candle, decisive candle, that the price wants to go down. So what happened is that in this situation, when we see that the tunnel is already drawn, you can place a pending order. I mean, I have a special software that is placing pending orders. So when you place the order here, because we are interested only in one direction, only sell. We are not interested in buy, because we are in the buy area. We're expecting to go to sell. So this green, this red bands means a sell area now. We're going to look for sell moment. So here we're going to place an order after this candle crossed, and this is the extreme candle that we are going to enter sell. So sell area, okay, hopefully from here, sell area. And the stop loss we're going to have, let's say, 1 pip above. So we're talking about 20 pips. So 20 pips right now, stop loss will be 20 pips, and we will aim for twice, it means 2 times the level of the risk. So if we are risking 20 pips, we at least want to get 40 pips. So 40 pips, let's see, it's somewhere here. Okay, and now we have the tunnel. It means price was consolidating in 20 pips area. We have the two EMAs crossed. We have the extreme indicator coming down, and the price was already in the extreme area. So it's a good sign. There was also here B and in A. It was some time ago indicating, but it would be also nice to have somewhere here, but nothing happened. So we're going to continue now, and we hope that the price will go down at least to the opposite bands. So this is our aim. So now we see the price is going down, and we're going to look for a reversal candle in this area. So as you see here, here's our target, 40 pips. Doesn't mean that we have to close when we reach 40 pips. We simply have to see if the formation of the candles will give us a signal to exit the trade. So we of course expect that the price will bounce back from this area, from this one, as you see, it bounced back, and but when the candle cross the second line, it will close the price above this EMA. I think it's time to go out, but so far we see that the price didn't close above this EMA, and we expect that the price will go lower. Okay, now we are in the area of the extreme indicator. Now we have even B in A indicating that there's some kind of reversal, but because we just started after the consolidation, we expect that the price will go maybe lower, so at least we will go 40 pips. Okay, so we still go on strong. Every candle is one after another one. We'll see here some doji. We'll see how this candle will close. I mean, this is already a good candle to reverse, but let's continue. Okay, now we are 40 pips. Okay, 40 pips. We still go strong, lower and lower. Okay, so we are right now 50 pips. I mean, you can close it and be happy, or we will wait for some candle that will indicate that this is the end of the story. I mean, right now I usually close when the candle close below the three bands. It's a sign that it's going to reverse. Now we see another signal, B in A, so it means this candle closed inside this wick, and now this candle is pumping up, so it means this is going to be like on the 1 hour candle is going to be a huge pin bar. Okay, so definitely if you didn't get out, this is the time to get out. And this is a sign that the price now will reverse. You can see that even pierce the second EMA and go even higher. So definitely it's a time to exit the trade. If you didn't exit, here will be about 37 pips. I mean, if you have 37, maximum was almost 666. What the evil number. Okay, so we see that the price right now, it's going up, so there's no point to wait so long. When you see, for example, that this candle pierces all the three bands at once and next candle close below, this is for me a signal to just get out. So from here up to here it will be 62 pips, 62 pips profit. There was no consolidation here. In order to go opposite way, we see this was the good time. We were able to see the tunnel, the consolidation period. We see the crossing of the two lines. We see the extreme candle showing us that this is a time of reverse, and it was a successful trade. Okay, so this was on pound and dollar. Okay, right now I'm going to stop it and I'm going to change a pair. I'm going to go to euro. Euro is here. Now we're going to start again. Time, Corpip Extreme. We are changing the template. I try to use the template like a master tester, but doesn't work, so I don't know why. And so I have to go again, extreme candle, and we go extreme candle. Now we will add Corpip Extreme. Then we will add Corpip Extreme. We will PipBoxer Bina, B in A, PipBoxer B in A. This one, load with the preset of this one. And next one will be tunnel. We have extreme candle and EMA, PipBoxer EMA. Okay, load EMA master. All right, so now we have it. So let's see how euro behaved today. We're going to go start, and we go. All right. So again, we are looking for consolidation. Okay, so as you see, I don't pay attention so far what happened in the past. I'm just looking on the bands. I mean, it's good to know what's going on the left in the history, but I'm just looking on the bands right now. So we see that there is some kind of consolidation. The price is coming towards the extreme area. Still, it's a little bit more to go. And we see right now that the London Open is coming. I think it's 9 o'clock this broker time. So we see that now the price is piercing the three bands, and now we see some breakout, and let's see how the market is going to react. Okay, I will pause for a second. Again, what we see a reversal candle that is bigger than the previous candles, opposite way and inside the extreme indicator. Now we are looking for some kind of consolidation. So let's see the consolidation. So don't enter immediately. I mean, sometimes pays off, sometimes you just simply miss the train, but I'm expecting the price will go higher, or at least will go to the previous levels before we'll go opposite way. So as we see, it's consolidating, and I'm also looking on the two candles, but again okay, now we have the tunnel. So again, we can place an order, pending order, below this line. We are only interested about sell. We are not interested about buy. We are only interested about sell. So let's extend this line and see that this will be a level, okay, somewhere here, in case we miss the main candle. So we have a pending order. Okay, let's see what will happen. This is euro dollar on 15-minute chart. Okay. Okay, I'm looking for a decisive candle. Okay, now we see that the candle pierced our level, so it means we are trading already. So we are now in the trade, sell. Okay, and now we're supposed to, okay, I was thinking that there will be some kind of indication, but seems that doesn't. Okay, what we see right now, the price already went inside the other extreme area, so now we are looking for another, how many, about 40 pips profit. So let's go and have a look. We're going to see some rejection over here, or already pierced the level, so we are going to measure where is the 40 pips. This is 27 pips, so we still can wait a bit. Okay, now we are, let's see. Okay, I'm looking for 40 pips. 32. Okay, 32. Let's continue. Okay, so we probably will reach already our take profit, and we see already a little dodgy, so I think it's a good time to get out. I mean, it's better to get the money in the bank than wait for another reversal. Okay, so we see that we actually made, I'm going to measure again, it's 40 pips is here. Okay, easy, 40 pips was here. 40 pips, yeah. So we see that the prices still go down, and we are looking for some candle like B and in A, some kind of pin candle that we are 100% sure that is the end of the story. Okay, so we see that these two candles are already creating a nice pin, and I will simply get out from here. I mean, right now it's touching the second EMA, and if you are not out, I think it's time for you to get out. Okay, so this is the end of the trade. Using Core Pip Extreme, B in A, 2 EMAs, tunnel and extreme candle. So as you see here, this candle was here, this candle was also here, but was closer to the middle line, and therefore the indicator is not accepting this candle if it will touch the middle line. Therefore it's built such a way to not enter a trade if the price is in the middle of the channel. But during the time when we were trading, actually the candle was just touching this middle line. Now we see it separate because it's the indicator is repainting. It doesn't matter if it's repainting or not repainting. We are looking at the indicators at the time and not in the past. In the past, it's history. We have already money in the pocket. Okay, so this is how to use this indicator. Okay, finished. And there is, let's say, I think we can check one more pair, maybe yen. I usually trade only 4 major pairs. So let's go and have a look. US dollar, US and Japanese yen. We're going to pause it. Okay, so now we have again, we go again, Core Pip Extreme, changing, adding EMA, EMA. Now we are adding BNA, load, it's this one. Next one, it's Core Pip Extreme, no, extreme candle, this one, load extreme candle, and also Core Pip Extreme, Core Pip Extreme, that's here. Okay. So now we have the template again, and now we look for consolidation for a tunnel. Okay, now it's midnight, so we still have a few more hours to go. This will be third pair to see how it is working. I mean, stop loss is 20 pips, 22 pips, so even the trade, it doesn't work on one pair. There's a big chance that it will work on another pairs. And if you trade 2 to 1, it means if you win one trade, actually you can cover the loss of 2 trades. So there's a big chance that you will end up winning during the day. Okay, so it's 1 a.m. so we still have a few more hours before London Open. Okay, we see a consolidation in the extreme area, so it's a big chance that the price will go opposite way. And of course we are looking right now only for buy. I'm not looking for sell because it's a already oversold area, and I'm looking for the tunnel, for the EMAs, for the extreme candle reverse, and some BNA. Okay, now we have in a very nice level. It's the London Open, so we expect that the price will bounce back. I mean, we only look for buy level in this area. I don't try to sell in this area, although here will be nice, a few pips, but we are looking to go from one level to this band, from one level to another one. Okay, now we see that this will be tested here. Okay, I need to see the tunnel. Tunnel is, I think, maximum 22 pips, 220 points. Okay, now we see a tunnel of 169. So we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3 hours. The price is consolidating in the channel of 17 pips. So now we can place our pending order somewhere here in case we will miss the trade, and let's see what will happen. Okay, I'm not interested in buy, I'm only interested in sell. I'm only interested in buy. Now it's 194, so still the box is okay because maximum box will be 22 pips. So here it's okay. If this will be extended, I understand. Okay, now we see. Okay, what we're looking for, it's a reversal candle for the crossing of the 2 EMAs. Okay, we see that they crossed. You see the 2 EMAs crossed. So what I will do here, you could wait, or you simply can enter the trade here when the crossing took place. But let's say if you didn't do it, you just wait until we'll reach this level. Okay, now will be second entry. We are in the trade. Now we are coming. We're going towards these bands, and as I said before, this was 20 pips, so we are looking for 40 pips take profit. So 40 pips profit will be somewhere here. From here, actually, it will be over here, because if this is from this area, from the crossing of these 2 EMAs, we see that we need 40 pips in order to exit. It's 40 pips. So it's already nicely in our area. Okay, now we are in take profit. So if you have hard take profit, it will take profit actually in this area. And let's see if there will be some candle showing us reversal or not. Okay, now we are 2 to 1, and it's I think good area to finish our trade. Okay, now we see that somehow the price is reversing, still consolidating. Okay, now it's definitely a winner. Even if you will start from here, it will be 42 pips. Okay, so both ways is a winner. Now we see a reversal candle. It will be consolidation, but because it's a Friday, I will not look for any other trade. So actually 3 pairs and 3 winners. It doesn't happen every day, but there's a big chance to win 2 to 1, and 15-minute chart. You have a lot of time. Okay, now pause it. As you see here is another consolidation, and we will have to look for sell, but because it's Friday, I am not interested in another trade at this time of the day. So this is how to use the 5 indicators: core pip extreme, the 3 lines, how to use the B in A. It means, you see here is B in A, but it is in the middle of between the 2 extreme bands, so I never use this B and A in this area. I always look for the B in A. It means the candle close inside the wick, only in the area of the extreme indicator. Then EMAs, as you see here, they indicate for me when there's the end of the trend, when the change of the trend, like with the crossing of the 2 lines. Also the tunnel is showing me what is the consolidation level, and the extreme candle, as I showed you before, the extreme candle, I don't know if I can see here, it's like an engulfing candle in the area of the here was 20 pips, bigger than everything else, the last 4 candles. So as you see, this is somehow how you can use the indicators in order to make profit when you trade Forex. Thank you very much. I hope it was beneficial for everybody who already got my indicators, and also for those people who are planning to buy them. Have a nice day.